Alright, 5, 6, and 7 are all adding and subtracting polynomials, so that basically means that you're going to be combining like terms. So I see here that I have a 2a squared and I don't have any other 2a, or I don't have any other a squareds, so I can go ahead and write that as part of my answer. Let's take a look at the single a's. I have a 3a here and I have a 1a here, so when those combine, those are going to give me a total of 4 a's. And then I have a negative 5 here combined with a negative 5, and together those combine to give me negative 10. And that's going to be your answer for number 5. Number 6 is a subtraction problem. So instead of subtracting, we like to distribute this negative 1 onto everything and change the signs, and then we can add. So I'm just going to rewrite what's on the left-hand side. And that becomes a negative 2x to the 4th. And that becomes a positive 9x squared. Alright, so now we're just going to find our like terms and combine them now. I see here I have a 12x to the 4th, and I have a negative 2x to the 4th. So those are going to combine to give me 10x to the 4th. And I see here that I have a negative 3x squared, and I have a 9x squared. So those are going to combine to give me a positive 6x squared. Okay, so I see there is an opportunity to subtract here, and then there's an opportunity to add here. So we're going to do the same thing with this one right here, and we're going to distribute that negative sign. So let's just rewrite. And if I distribute this negative sign to the 2x, that becomes negative 2x squared. And if I distribute that, that becomes plus 5. And then I'm just going to rewrite x squared plus 7x minus 1. And let's find our like terms. So I have a negative 2x squared here, and I have a positive x squared here. Those are going to combine to give us a negative x squared. I see I have a 3x here, a positive 7x here. Those are going to combine to give us 10 x's. And then I've got a positive 8, a positive 5, and a minus 1. So 8 plus 5 gives me 13, and 13 minus 1 is going to give me 12.